are off on our first safari. Yesterday we did a little bit of a safari and we got 3 cheetahs and 4 lions. Today we are set to look for the Rongai or the Rongai pride. We are also trying to spot the cheetah with 4 cubs. Masai is her name. So you can see Bessie. Bessie is the ranger here and he's going to guide us into the jungle. So we're all set now. Maasai Mara, here we come. Sightings of your life.
Apparition 2016.
Okay.
And they were very, very great hunters. They killed some topies, maybe some zebras grown up, and wildebeest.
Okay.
So 3 of them are died, natural death, and these 2 are old now.
Okay.
So it's very hard for them now to bring down. They bring down topies, but take long.
Okay.
Because they don't have strong jaws and all that.
Yeah. And hunting in packs always is an advantage.
In packs, they were very, very easy to bring down.
Yeah.
While they were all 5.
Okay. What are they called again?
Tanobora. We call Tanobora.
Tanoboras.
Tano means 5. And also mating,
Okay.
they were mating together at the same time and they leave the female.
Cheetahs are still here and sitting right there, right on the track. And this is what I can see on my camera. We're really in anticipation for the Rongai drive. Probably take a stroll down the road and probably walk down the road. So we saw them with a fresh kill yesterday, and I'm hoping that we'll be able to see or get a better glimpse today. Yesterday we saw them feasting on a Cape buffalo. It was an exciting set of pictures and videos we could make. A fabulous experience, and the magic continues on day 2 of our full day safari. We've already seen a pride sitting in the grassland, the Rongai pride. So Pesci tells me that the Rongai pride has 20 plus lions. It's a huge pride, a very popular pride as well. So you can see, I can see one sticking the head out right there. So let's try capturing some magic and moments. We are in the Maasai Mara, the Mara legends, and stepping out at 7 in the morning. Our breakfast is set up right next to the best view that we can find. And what do you think is a view? Hippos sleeping after a whole night of munching. And what's for breakfast? We're going to quickly check. You got some fruits? Well diced fruits, extremely important to keep yourself hydrated out here. You have this corn and spinach sandwich, Pavitra's favorite, and then you have the croissant, which is made for us specially, vegetarian. So croissant for breakfast. So let's dig right in. A very eventful morning. We had lovely sightings of the Rongai again, and specifically, we had head-on shots. The entire pride sitting there together and relaxing in the cool morning. It was not very hot today. Nice weather, nice sun as well, nice soft light. I would recommend everyone definitely to do Maasai Mara. We had our bush breakfast. We were joined by some friends of Pesci. It was a lovely morning. Good to share and eat. Spread the love. I think it was a fabulous sighting in the morning. Also, not to forget, 2 cheetahs, relaxing by the track. Got beautiful shots of those as well. A wonderful experience. Had a good sighting of the spot hyena. Hyenas walking, and you would hear him howl.
Okay, let's go.
1 minute. Sitting in the grassland, you can see the vehicles there, and the lion pride probably is in the grassland, but I can see a male lion somewhere towards the... Oh, there's a big pride. There's a big pride.
You do, and I'll do the same. Okay. High five.
Bring to high. We just finished our lunch, and what you see behind me is vast lands of Maasai Mara. Fabulous grasslands where you get to see, the sightings of your lifetime. And man, are we having fun now. This has been the best full day safari I've done so far, and hoping to see more. So far we've had an awesome safari.
Later, tomorrow.
We've had an awesome safari so far. We had Nasipai hunting, and Pessi says hi, and so does Pop.
Our first day and the most successful day. We had Nasipai live kill Yanta Thompson Gazelle. He tried 2 times, and the third one I think he succeeded.
Yes. Yeah. The fruit, the bajia, the chicken, the pizza.
To limit.
Some snacks.
It's only related to party.
Yeah.